Brother, listen carefully. This is wrong. How will I capture this? Let me find some point. You see, the smell is very foul. Look at that, oh. See? You cannot close the opening because all the pipe are going through the opening. It should be on top of the tank, but it should not be in the opening because the moment you close, you cannot use the cover anymore. Look at that. Where the drain goes? Water drains here towards the septic tank. Guys, this is the correct plumbing of the septic tank. The pipe goes on top but not on the cover, the opening itself. Because if you put this pipe directly into the opening, you cannot close it. This is what happens in all the pipe inside the opening. Then the cover, you cannot use the cover anymore because of the pipe. So the pipe should be on the body, on top of the body, but the opening should never be used for the pipe. Take note of this.